Yo,
What's
dope
up?
toe mirrors.
New toe mirrors.
And we're taking them off?
Taking them off.
Already, huh?
Yeah, this one did some weird stuff.
Let's see if I can see that.
I don't know.
I don't know if I can see that. Anyway, there's weird like particulate in here or something wrong with the mirror.
Yeah.
And it was super clear when you first got them?
Yep. Looked good when I first got it. So I don't know. I don't know what happened.
Huh.
But anyways, basically this will be our how to install toe mirrors on your whatever this is.
What is this?
It's an 04 GMC Sierra 2500 HT.
You got a hat and sunglasses today.
Yeah, dude.
Sun sucks,
It's
dude.
sun out.
Let's see if we can look into this.
Sun out,
Oh,
hide your face. So anyways, I guess this would work for 1500s and 3500s as well. From
This is a 2500?
yeah,
Oh,
from like
okay.
01 to 07, like the 07 classics.
Gotcha.
Anyways, so you got to take this cover off.
Did it just pull off?
Yeah, it just pops off. It just has these little.
Man, those tabs are so
douche-nissies.
great.
So you just pull that, and then you have this that goes around there. You just pull it off. And then you have a bolt here on my truck.
Oh, you got to take the whole door card off?
Yeah. Well, the reason is because these are power.
Oh, okay.
And they're heated.
So you got to
And
plug
they
them
have
up.
turn signals in them. And they have running lights. And they have reverse lights.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Where'd you get them?
Amazon's. Link in the description.
Is that where you got the new one?
Yeah. They're the exact same ones. They're just clear instead of blacked out.
Oh. The lights on them.
Yeah. So you see this is blacked.
Yeah.
The new ones is
kinda
just clear.
smoked.
Yeah.
Right on.
So the new one's the exact same mirror.
Have you got the new one? This
Yeah.
is the new one.
It's just clear.
Oh.
And so they have reverse lights here, turn signal, and then this is a what do you call it when it goes? Meow, meow.
Like a sequential
Yeah.
type turn signal thing?
So sequential orange here, and then as a clearance light, it is white.
That's pretty cool.
So we have to wire that up. It takes a little bit of doing. It's that plug right there. They're also heated, so it's pretty nice mirror for. They're $200 for these ones.
That's not bad.
They have a
For as
cheaper.
nice as they are.
Yeah, they have a cheaper version that doesn't have the sequential turn. Instead, it just has, it's like an orange piece here with like 4 LEDs in it. It's
Oh,
still a
okay.
blinker. I don't know if it has clearance lights or not, but it's still a blinker.
And it's not sequential.
It's not sequential. So I just think this looks a little nicer. I don't want the truck to look like a piece of crap.
Right on.
So I'd rather spend, it's an extra $40 to do that. But anyway, so you gotta take this off. There's like a 7 here on mine, but I think some of them have a bolt, a screw down here as well. And then this comes off. I gotta go get a 7.
Did you get your 7mm?
Yeah, I already did that.
Oh.
Now you need a 10 deep. So the reason you have to take the door panel off, and I guess this will depend on your truck. If your truck doesn't have power mirrors or anything, I guess you wouldn't need to do this. But the mirror right here, the black plugs in and the blue plugs in, and these are labeled by color. And that's the only reason you have to take the door panel off. If not, you could get to these 3 bolts without taking it off. So if you're putting in a set that doesn't have power windows, heated blinkers, all that, you don't have to do this portion. You just have to do what we're doing now.
Are these heated?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't catch it when you said it earlier. I'm like, busy recording and whatnot.
Is that what
That's
you're doing?
freaking dope.
Yeah, so they're heated with the rear defrost button for the rear glass.
Nice.
They're heated. And then, like I said, blinkers and power adjustable.
Isn't it crazy how inexpensive technology gets throughout the years?
Yeah, it's so nice. The top is power, the bottom's not. Yeah, this is manual adjust.
Okay.
But the top is power. So anyways, all right, let's take it out. So I assumed when I ordered them, I ordered chrome smoked. So I thought this would be chrome, and this would be chrome, and this would be smoked.
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
No, they're talking about this piece inside here. That's the chrome that they're talking about. So you can get that in chrome or you can get that in black. So you can get a chrome smoked or black smoked or chrome clear black.
But the mirrors are always black.
The mirrors are always black,
Or
unless
or they're color match?
or paint match. They do have red, black, and white paint match, but those are like $130.
So these are not leveled, right?
It shouldn't be. It actually looks decently level.
It looks pretty decent. They go up a little bit, but like not terrible.
Here, compare. Because this one is still up a little. That one's still up a little. Oh yeah, it's way up.
Did those wires come with the mirrors?
Yes.
And they're for the reverse lights?
Yes, they're for the reverse lights and the clearance lights. So you have to run these separate because the truck never came with them. It wasn't an option in this body style. So you have to run these, and it's pretty simple. So there's blue here, white, and gray. Gray is your ground, I'm pretty sure. Let me look. I kept the instructions this time. I threw them away the first time.
That's probably a first.
Yeah, I was right. So white and blue are power, and gray is ground. So you hook your gray up wherever you want, ground, but you have to run it from the mirror through the little slinky that attaches the door to the body of the truck.
Slinky right there.
Yeah. So you got to run it through there. So you pop that off, run it through there, and then you get it inside the truck, hook up your ground somewhere, and then what we're gonna do, because I want to be able to turn the reverse lights on whenever I want. So we're actually gonna hook it up to the switch that was already installed in this truck. That way we can turn them on whenever. Because when you're like working on the truck at night, not working on, but when you're working with the truck at night, like let's say you're trying to load something in the bed, it'd be really nice to turn those on and they light up the side of the truck.
Would be nice.
So we're gonna run them to a switch, but we'll run the clearance lights the way you're supposed to. That way they turn on when the headlights turn on, and then the other stuff will turn on with the switch.
Awesome. That's very thorough.
Yeah. So anyway. You ready?
Let me see the blinker. Oh, that's the running light?
Yep, that's the running light.
Ooh. Blinker action. That looks good. Can you put it in reverse? Is the reverse?
No, the reverse isn't hooked up yet. And we're gonna put that on a switch, so.
Okay.
But here, I'll show you in the fuse box how we did the running light. So the way it is, now it's ghetto rigged because I didn't want to shove another one of these in over here. But I just stripped the wire and wrapped it around this fuse. And so that is our trailer park fuse, is what it is called on here. Trailer park, right there.
Trailer park.
So I just ran it through here because I have my my fuel pump for my fast in here. And then this is going to be our reverse lights, and then that is our other light, our running lights. So all that's in there. Easy to go. On the reverse lights, because we're running it to a switch, I just found one that was hot all the time.
Okay.
And so that's where we ran that. What you would look for is trailer reverse, and you'd wire it up to that, and then it'd come on when you put it in reverse. So now what we got to do is, basically at this point we need to do the other side so we can merge the two harnesses together for the running lights and the reverse lights, and then we'll finish running this to a switch and we're done.
Dang, that sounds super.
Yeah, so not much left. We got the mirrors on. They're all wired up. We ran the wires through the door into the thing. You run them under, you do what you do. And then
very comprehensive, Ronnie.
So they work.
Yeah,
now,
right on.
This is maybe what people are coming to this video for. I don't know. We're gonna level these sons of bitches.
Okay.
And it's pretty easy. So this cap right here just pops off.
Let me see what cap you're talking about. I'm just like I'm backing up to let them see like how they're kind of like wingish, how they're kind of like sticking up.
Oh yeah,
like
this one's the bad side.
Is that the bad side?
I mean, I think so.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's crazy. All right. So what are you doing?
So this cap, it goes right here.
Okay.
And so you just like get a screwdriver behind there, boom, pops right off.
Boom, pops right off.
Then you go to Home Depot, and for about $3, you can get your mirror leveling kit, which is 25 quarter-inch washers.
Okay.
You open that up.
How much was that? Like $3?
Yeah, $3 and some change.
Now you said you could buy pre-leveled mirrors, but they were a lot more expensive.
Yeah, which is dumb.
That is dumb.
So
okay. I'm gonna get over here so you can work over there, and we can see what you're doing.
These are 10 mils.
Yep.
There's 4 of them. We're gonna loosen up the top. Well, we're gonna take the top 2 out. So we're gonna take him out. Put it up here on the wiper. Take this one out. Up on the wiper he goes. Here, I'm gonna put these right here. And we're just gonna loosen the bottom one. Sorry, I know that's probably pretty loud.
Whatever.
Then what we're gonna do on this side, because it's so bad, is we're gonna go, well, let's look at them first. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with 4. So we're gonna put 4 washers on the top. Now this is a bit of a pain in the butt to get these up in here.
Well, you gotta hold them back there and then slide the screw through them?
Yes.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
Come on, baby. There we go. There we go, we're getting closer. Okay, now we're gonna wiggle on here. All right, so
I see what you did here.
that's 4.
Oh, you put it behind the bracket.
Yeah, so it goes behind the bracket because the bracket is what holds the whole mirror out.
And you use 4 on the back as well?
Yep, 4 on the back as well. So we're gonna flip the mirror the opposite direction. Now this is the hard side because
It's got that lip right there.
Yeah. So I don't know how we're gonna do this.
With
On the
lots of
old
luck.
ones. Oh God.
You're doing a great job already.
Thanks. Okay.
Look at that. That's crazy level. Oh my gosh. I guess I didn't expect it to work that well.
That's perfect.
Yeah, it totally is. Let's do the other side and we'll show them what it looks like. Are we happy?
Yeah, looks good. So we ended up using 4 on each side. The only issue that we see is you can do this number, but how often is your mirror gonna do that? They look way better though.
Yeah, they do. They definitely do.
Now the mirrors are level, the truck's level.
Nice. Let's get a good shot here. Looks good.
It's getting there.
It is getting there.
The lights all work, so that's a plus.
So what's next? What's next for this truck?
I ordered window tint, a new windshield, and a windshield visor. And this rear window right here doesn't roll down. The regulator's bad, so I ordered a regulator.
Okay.
I was
So we
trying
got
to
that
do
to do.
little things, getting
Yeah,
it
yeah.
squared up. So, and then I want to get the windows polished.
They're kind of scratched up.
Yeah, this one, you can see it. It's kind of bad. It might not actually polish out, but this will all polish out. So,
Right on.
I want to get the windshields or the windows polished. We're gonna cut a big sticker to go on the back here.
A big local loser sticker, right?
Yeah, I want the turbo one.
Okay.
A die cut of the turbo one.
Okay.
To go all the way across
Dude,
the
that'll
back
look
window.
good. That'll look real good.
So, other than that, the truck's it'll be pretty close to being finished.
And it'll
after
be
that.
doing daily duties, right?
Yep.
Sweet.
Headlights, taillights, and then we'll probably just drive it for the most part. I got to fix a dent over here because I want to get the flares again.
F-150.
What?
What? I said a pull off with the F-150.
Oh yeah. But I want to get flares, but I can't on this side because the bed's all dented up over here.
Yeah.
So I got to get that squared away first. And once that's squared away, then we can get the fender flares for it.
Let's take care of all the easy stuff first.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, that's it. We got mirrors on. New wheels, tires, and it runs good.
It does run good. I'm super happy with it.
Dude, I'm super glad. And I'm sure they're super glad.
Oh, look at this.
What? Oh.
These are real bolts, and one is missing.
That's no good.
I know. I'm gonna call custom offsets and be like, "Can you send me a bolt?" But yeah, everything's good. So I'm out of here. If he's out of here, we're out of here.
I'm out of here as well. We'll see y'all later.
Bye, guys.